coding video. Hello friends, welcome back to another coding video, and today we are going to learn HTML part 2. So let's get started. So friends, let's first revise what we learned in the last video. And if you haven't watched the last video, please be sure to watch that before watching this one. And also, the link of that video will be given in the description. So you can go there and get the link. Now in the last video, we learned what is HTML, what are HTML tags, the basic code for an HTML web page, what are comments in HTML and how to use them, how do you save HTML files. Now today we are going to learn HTML part 2. First, we are going to learn HTML attributes. Attributes are used to add more information to that tag. Like here, inside the HTML tag, there is the language attribute. Now, the language is selected English. EN is the short form for English and it declares that we are using English language. Now, there are many kinds of attributes. There are some attributes which are necessary, like the attribute in image and a tag, while there are some attributes which are not necessary, like style, class, ID. Well, they are really useful but not completely necessary. Heading tags. Heading tags are used to display headings in HTML. There are 6 heading tags, H1 to H6. The H1 is the most important while H6 is the least important. The H1 is biggest and boldest while the H6 is the smallest. The first 3 heading tags are used a lot comparatively as compared to the last 3 tags. Anchor tag is used to add links into your HTML file. The anchor tag, also known as a tag, has a attribute which is necessary, the href attribute. The href attribute is the link which we have to add to go to the website which we want to link our website to. Like here, it's for Google. Now this is a link. The image tag. The image tag is used to add images to your web page. The image tag is an empty tag. That means it does not have a closing tag. It also has a permanent attribute, the src attribute. The src attribute contains the image address. Now, if you are copying the image address from Google, you just have to copy paste it inside double quotes. But if the image is inside the folder, the pattern is a bit different. First, you have to tell the name of the folder, then put a slash after it, and then you have to paste the image name. Now that's not it, because after pasting the image name, you also have to put .png or .jpeg based on the type of file you have. Bold, italic and underline tags. They are used to highlight text in different ways in your page. The B tag or the bold tag, as the name suggests, boldens the text. The I tag converts the text format to italics and the underline tag underlines important text. Big and small tags. The big and small tags are used to display big or small text on your web page. But why are they used? For example, in a paragraph about universe, there is an important term, say metaverse, and we want to make sure to the user the word is visible. You have put bold, but it is still not enough. So to enlarge the text, we use the B tag or big tag. The small tag, on the other hand, is used to lower the font size. It is used for unimportant text which the user or the creator does not want to display to its audience. The HR tag is used to display a horizontal ruler used to separate content or tags. But what does this mean? This means that the HR tag is used to create a line that runs horizontally on the screen and it separates content or tags. The HR tag is again an empty tag, so you don't have to close it. Now, I'm going to show you a live example of what we did in today's class. First, the HTML tag, then head. Now, inside head, title. Body tag. Now inside body tag, as we learned, we are going to put an attribute, language. Now you can choose any language. Here are all the short forms, but of course I won't change any language, so I'm going to use English. Body tag is closed. Now the H or heading tag, as we learned, from H1, the most important text, and this will go all the way to H6, the least important text. Now H2 right here, H3 right here, H4, H5, and the last H6. Now you will see the difference between all these H tags. Now we learnt about the A tag. Now the attribute href. So I've already copied the URL of Google from the URL bar. We have to go to Google, and this is the URL bar. So copy from here and paste it here. Now close the A tag, and we are going to put text in here. Google, you can see. Now the image tag. Now the image src. As I told you, the image can be stored in a folder. But the easiest method is copy image address and just paste it here. Simple. We learnt about big tag. Now this will enlarge the font size. Big. And the small tag, which decreases the font size. Small. We also learnt about bold, italics and underline. But to separate all of this, we can put HR tags between everything. Now, as I told you, HR is another empty tag, so no closing. Okay. Now here, the B tag for bold. the I tag for italics, and the U tag for underline. Now there are many different parts. Like here, as you saw, the UL is for underline, but in many other softwares it will be only U. So you should check before using the U tag. Now that's all we learned. So live preview of it. Here are all the heads, the HR, the Google link, the image, the big and small, bold, italics, and underline text. So, guys, that's all from our side today. Hope you liked the video and be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for more fun coding videos.